Choosing the right products to keep your facility running smoothly and your workers safe is important, and you can trust our NSI brands to get the job done. We pride ourselves on making sure our NSI products are innovative, high quality, and provide unbeatable value. And that's why our customers have trusted us for over 35 years. When building new products, we use the newest technology and materials available, so our NSI brands always offer high-performing solutions for your workplace and applications. This will help your business avoid lost time, increase worker acceptance and compliance, as well as decrease chances of fines and violations. Our high-quality standards ensure that you will only get the best products. NSI brands will last longer and provide better comfort and performance, which will not only increase productivity, but also boost employee morale. We also provide spec sheets for every single NSI product to ensure your confidence in our quality. NSI is the first in the industry to provide a value-focused line of products that puts quality first. We control our entire manufacturing process. So not only do we guarantee higher quality products, but by optimizing our production and closely monitoring costs, we also get to pass those savings on to you. NSI brands offer better quality at a lower price, and an average cost savings of 25% when you choose NSI. Our NSI brands are the complete package, offering innovation, quality, and value. If we wouldn't use them, we won't sell them. You have our word on that. NSI brands, exceeding your expectations and saving you money.